The radar data begins with 3 planes highlighted so that we may track them easier. These 3 planes are Plane X, an unidentified plane from the war games that were taking place on 911. United 175 out of Boston. Both of these first 2 planes are flying with their transponders switched off. To the right we can observe United Flight 93 has just taken off out of Newark. The World Trade Center is marked in red on the map. Next we see Flight 93 merge with the 2 other planes, and as they change course, Plane X breaks off from the pack. At 8:59 and again at 9:03, Flight 175 successfully receives 2 separate messages from Acres Harrisburg Station. Now we can observe Plane X changing course and heading directly towards the World Trade Center, while Flight 175 leads Flight 93 to Cleveland.